My name's Kevin Jordan, lover of plants and gardening, and today I'm here at the Capitol Public Radio Garden here at Sacramento State University. And I'm happy to learn about gardening because I want to start my very first garden. I got some garden friends here who are experts on gardening. They can school us up. Let's check them out. Hey, what's up, Jack?
Not much. How's it going, Kevin?
Oh, it's going great. Good to see you.
This is our friend Addie here, and we're going to give you guys some advice on how to start out your garden. So the first thing that's really important is sunlight.
Yes, we need sunlight for your garden. We need water.
All right, so we got
Perfect.
sunlight, we got water. I got that in my backyard. What else do I need?
The third and really important thing is good soil.
Yeah, good soil. You need that and some compost.
Another really important part of your soil is making sure you remove those weeds.
Yeah, remove those weeds.
All those roots, we want to make sure we get the whole weed out, or else you're going to have to come back and do it a couple
Oh, so
weeks
Jack, so I
later.
should pull it out, roots and all?
Yes, we want to make
All
sure
right.
you get all of it.
Here we go. Ooh, yeah, that one came out nice. All right.
So all these different parts of the process, the sunlight, the water, the soil, they're all really important for photosynthesis. Can you say photosynthesis for us?
Photosynthesis.
She's got it. Yeah, this soil is an awesome example of what you want. You want something that has nice air in it. You want something that can hold a lot of water. Yeah, look at that beautiful
Oh,
stuff.
worm in there, yeah.
Yeah, worms, that's a good sign.
Yeah, see, this is great because I feel like the soil at my house is more like this rock. So
Yeah.
I got to break it up, make it loose and
Totally.
like this.
Get it nice and loose, and if it's really hard packed like that, odds are it's not going to have a lot of nutrients, and we can add some compost. You don't need a lot of it. A little bit goes a long ways, but you just toss it in here. And do you want to mix that in for us?
Yeah, and you need to
Oh,
mix
she's a pro.
that at your house. I'll come to your house too.
All right, so remove those weeds and then add a bunch of compost, soil amendment.
Totally.
That makes a lot of sense because
Yeah.
if it's hard as a rock, those roots aren't going to make it through that soil very well.
No, they are not.
Good.
Cool, so once we got all those things, I think we're ready to put our seeds in and transplant in some plants.
All right, so to recap, all the things that you need to start your very first garden is some sunshine, access to water, remove all your weeds, and you know what? And cultivate that soil by either adding compost or if you're in a container, making sure that you purchase some really good potting soil because that's going to ensure that you have a bountiful harvest. From our garden to yours.